Islam spread because it was a very easy religion to understand. So this idea that I can't understand it, it's not that hard to understand.
Okay, then give me a 5-minute summary of the core beliefs. That would be very helpful.
So we have a famous hadith in which Angel Gabriel came in the form of a man and asked the Prophet, tell me about faith. The Prophet Muhammad said, faith is to believe that there's only one God and that Muhammad, which includes all the previous messengers, is a messenger of God, to believe in angels, to believe in the books that God has revealed, to believe in the last day, the day of judgment, and to believe that good and evil is part of life. And then he said, tell me about Islam. And he said, Islam is that you make the testimony of faith, that you pray 5 times a day, that you fast Ramadan, that you pay zakat, and that you, if you're able to, you make a pilgrimage once in your lifetime to Mecca. And then he said, tell me about ihsan, like being a person of excellence in the world. And he said, ihsan is to worship God as if you see God. And if you don't see him, at least you know that he sees you.